What is going on, everyone? Thanks for tuning in. Right now, we're going to take a quick look at Uniswap token, UNIUSD. We're going to see what are the scenarios out there for this market on both the bullish and bearish side, based on what I'm seeing. Now, before we begin, please do take a look at my disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I am sharing purely my speculations and opinions on this market, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it is extremely risky. And while you guys are down there, if you guys do want to support me, you guys can use one of my referral links below to sign up for one of the following 3 exchanges: WeBull, Binance US, and Coinbase, and we will both get a bonus. I know that WeBull is actually giving out free stocks depending on how you sign up, so do take a look at that. Now let's begin. What I'm looking at here, I want to go to the 4-hour charts, which we are seeing an inflection point. So basically a reversal since October 7th, and now we have gone on top of some of the moving averages that we have not gone above since the sell-off back in September. And what I'm talking about would be namely the 12-hour 21 moving average, the blue line right here, which, as you can see, it has not closed above it since the sell-off. So what I ask myself is, you see a downtrend right here, so what will actually break this downtrend is actually when the moving average closes above this 12-hour moving average. So that is a good reversal sign to me and a confirmation to me. Now, what we are looking at in the very short term here is, if you go to the 4-hour chart, we see a complex head and shoulders, which is a bullish pattern, with the neckline to be kind of ambiguously about 360, because I am drawing a trend line across the wicks with the most touches. So the neckline is about $3.60 USD, and the measured target, which is basically the measurement between from the neckline to the bottom wick. That for me would be about $4. So the breakout target, the measured target of this breakout, would be about $4. Now, what are the bullish and bearish scenarios of this market right now? As you can see, for the bearish case, obviously we're trying to get above this neckline right here. That would be a bullish case, and we're getting held down by the 4-hour 21 moving average right here, and we're also getting held down by the 6-hour 50 moving average right here, and we have not broken on top of that and closed above the 6-hour 50 moving average. So if we actually get a close candle close, a solid candle close, okay, not like this one right here, but a solid candle close above the 6-hour 50 moving average, that would be further confirmation that we are in reversal to an uptrend, and that would also put us into a position where we may actually break above this neckline and reach the measured target. Now, the target may or may not be reached, okay? It's just theory. So we might get there very fast, we might not. It might not be reached at all. So do keep that in mind. It's really theory, textbook. Now, that's the bullish case, okay? Obviously, if you break above the neckline right here, you would break above the 6-hour 50 moving average, which we have not closed above. So getting a close would be a very good sign. And then that would be going towards the target about $4 right here. Now, what's the bearish case scenario? The bearish case scenario, let's see, what are some of the moving averages that are supporting us right now? We're getting supported by the 4-hour 50 moving average. Now, if firstly, obviously from this pattern, if we go lower than the head right here, which is about 3.15, if we go below about 3.18, 3.17 in that range, that would be a bad sign that this pattern, this bullish pattern, is getting invalidated. So that would be a bad sign. Now, breaking below the 12-hour 21 moving average, which we just closed above, and now we're retesting it. Now, breaking below this moving average and closing below it would be a very bad sign that this reversal may be delayed. So those are my 2 cents for some of the scenarios that are in this market right now, short-term scenarios, and that is my analysis for today. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please give me some feedback. Let me know if you guys agree, disagree, and thanks for watching.